Shelly here. All right, in this video, we're gonna do something a little different. There is this popular dad that is blowing everybody's minds on YouTube. He teaches life lessons. And I am going to show you I'm comparing him and helping you with affiliate marketing. Yeah. Let's see this. Shelly. Okay, guys. Normally, I would have my YouTube channel pulled up and I tell you how I teach about all kinds of making money online. Which, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Oh, and ring the bell so you get all notifications. But that's not really what I want to talk to you about today. I have a coach that told me to look at this channel. Dad, how do I? And not only is this guy doing good with YouTube, but he has touched my heart. I love this guy. And the more I've watched his videos, and I started just kind of seeing what it was. I've been watching them on my phone. And then I'm like, the more I watched, I got so intrigued because I'm taking it personally because I lost my dad when I was a teenager. So, I had to grow up and, my mom had 3 jobs. So I had to learn how to do a lot of stuff on my own. So this right here, I've cried watching these videos because, it's so touching and it's awesome of what this guy is doing. But the more I watched, and I started thinking about how to compare it to affiliate marketing and, and what I do and why I do it. And there's so much alike because he's trying to help people. He's making a difference in the world, okay? And whenever I first started, I wanted to do something that made a difference. Yeah, I wanted to make money online, but the most important is I wanted to be able to help people. Most people say they have a goal of making $10,000 a month. My goal is to help 10,000, you know what I'm saying? And he has 2.2 million subscribers. So I look at that as he's helping that many people. I've subscribed. And not only that, I'm going to show you about another friend who has a really awesome site channel, and he has touched his heart as well. He's genuine, and I created my symbol. I'll pull it up. And when I first had it created, I told the designer, create it. I want it to mean helping people. The guy is funny too. So let's see.
I just blew it. Did you hear the rumor about the butter? Well, I'm not going to spread it. Okay. Anyway,
he's funny too. So he's teaching life lessons and he's funny. So he's entertaining to watch. And it makes you feel okay because he's just a normal person that's trying to do something good in the world, right? Most of his videos they're short, they're sweet, and easy, like how to jumpstart a car. But you wouldn't believe people who doesn't know how to do that. I've watched, my favorite is the one where he's changing the tire because this is kind of crazy, but it reminds me of when I was younger and my dad, he was a transmission specialist. I remember him telling me how he was switching out transmission. Yeah. And I remember he told me you take all these little screws out and you switch it over to here. And I remember that. I know how to change out an alternator, but I don't know how to change a tire. And when I was watching it, there's one thing, like he was talking about, you put something behind the back of the wheel if you're on a hill. Well, I can see me actually changing a tire and there went the car. I can see me doing that and not putting that back there. And I never knew that one of my cars I had, when you change a tire, you had to have a lock thingy. And I didn't know that, So the stuff that he teaches is really good. And it comes in handy for people. I mean, even I'm a girl, for people like me, because, I had to grow up from being a teacher to now, without a dad. And I'm a single mom. So there's a lot that I have to do on my own, and watching stuff like this is awesome. Again, you're probably wondering, what does this have to do with affiliate marketing? Okay. I teach people how to make money online. I show them the best, the easiest, and the cheapest way to get there. You have to have software. So I teach them the best funnel builder, which is the cheapest for the best. I teach how to get your own website, because you need your own website. You need a funnel builder. You need an autoresponder. So I tell the easiest and the best, again, cheapest autoresponders out there. Everything that you need for your business. And you also need to follow a program. Well, I always say the number one thing that I promote helps you make money, but it's my favorite because not only does it help you make money, it teaches you how to make money from ads. They give you phone scripts. All of this for free. You get your own coach, everything, and they walk you through exactly what you need to do. On top of that, you need your own coach to help you with all of the above, which is what I'm here for. And at the time of this video, I'm not charging, so you better take advantage of me. Also, I believe in everything that I teach you. So I'll have my links and stuff below, but I also believe in this stuff so much that I give tons of bonuses, like more than anybody that I know. And it's not stupid stuff. It's stuff to help you, like autoresponder. You need, you know what? The one thing that I wanted, because I didn't know how to write emails. So I give you 300 emails that's for business. And I've paid for, I think it's over 150, but that I've paid for that are guaranteed to make you money. And I've already bought the emails for you. So that's what I do for that. And all of the software and all of the stuff that I have gotten and give away, everything from everybody else, I give with the other stuff too. But it's just because I want to help. A lot of people probably think I'm crazy, but it reminds me of this guy, guys. Dad, how do I? Guys, Rob Kenney has a mission to use his skills to help you. And I want to use my skills to help you too. And I don't tell a lot of people this, but I used to have a jewelry business, and it's weird, I had my shirt on earlier. I got too hot. But I sold jewelry, and all of the proceeds went to cancer patients. And I did this for years until, well, the president changed the rules where what I would do is at the end of the year, I would hand in everything and then I would use it as a tax write-off, but you can't do that anymore. But I used to always say what he says in his thank you video. I started crying. I had already watched a bunch of the videos. And again, it reminds me of me and what I need help with, along with, again, I can relate it to affiliate marketing. I can relate it to losing my dad. So that's how all of this is tied into me and my heart. I want to show you this clip.
And I really take that to heart, because it is true. If we all each did our own little bit, man, the world would be such a better place. I know that.
Isn't that awesome? He says if we do our own little bit, just look how much that would help the world. And when I had my jewelry business, people would say I'm crazy. Why would I do that? Because, I didn't make any money. And I'm like, because I'm just one person. What if everybody did their own little part? And then when I heard him say that, it really touched me, because it made me think, see, I'm not the only one. if you have a business or you're starting your own business, you can do the same thing. You can help people by teaching them what you know. And remember, I'm here to help you. I can be your coach. I can show you the way. Again, I'll go ahead and I'll put my software down below. Remember, you need like 5 things. You really need a website. I can tell you how you can get it for free and with the program that you can also use for funnels, because you need funnels. And I can tell you what is the best for the cheapest, the fastest and the easiest altogether. The best autoresponder, everything. I'll put it all down below. And also, just because this is a video doesn't mean you can't reach out to me. Don't forget to like the video, by the way. But comment down below and reach out to me. I don't mind. You can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, anything like that, because that's what I'm here for. I love to help people, and I want to help you. Okay, guys, this is Legacy Goods. This is a pretty cool channel that you really should check out. His name is Chad. And I'm showing you this because he also has a video on here because he has been touched by Rob Kenney, just like Rob Kenney has touched my heart too. And I wanted to show you that so you could check it out. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to go subscribe to Dad, How Do I? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. If you liked the video, you can give me a like. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. Since you stayed to the end of the video, I also have a free ebook for you that you can get down below with the rest of the links as well. It's on affiliate marketing. Also, I have a couple videos that's over here or over here. Maybe it's up next, but you should check them out because you remember me telling you about that software that is awesome? Watch those videos and you'll see what I mean.